Can you think of at least one, I know it's probably many, can you think of at least one student who said, I just can't do it? They just give up like before. At the first sign of adversity, they just will say, you know what, the teacher gave me a C. The teacher gives me an F. This is just what research says, because I can up here, I can bloviate, I can get excited, I can get energy. But here's the thing, at the end of the day, we need data. The research says that relationship with teachers directly predicted these major academic outcomes: GPA, motivation, school climate. Whereas relationships with parents only directed the motivation. The mindset, this is what I want you to go into this session. I want you to take the mindset, I'm gonna turn as many quitters into winners. Because the research says I have the capability to do it based on just the relationship. Not necessarily how sweet I am, not how good I am at teaching English, not how good I am at teaching math, not how good I am at teaching science. It's just based on the relationship. How I show up, how I interact, and how I'm there for the students can directly change their impact. What's very, very crucial, probably the most important thing of this whole entire presentation, is when you start interacting with a student, you have to think, how can I build this connection, just this bridge, so that one day when they're ready to cross it, they can cross it in confidence. You ain't gotta be no therapist and go through no deep traumatic history. You ain't gotta do all that, just to learn what is something that motivates them. What's something that's important to them? What catches their eye? What catches their interest? So once you've made that connection, you're gonna start to observe all the patterns, all the problems, all the motivators that makes them who they are. And you guys are gonna have the unique opportunity to really be close, to really be face to face, to really smell their breath, and really be able to see, what's really going on here. So I need you, so when you meet with a student, once they allow you to get close, once they allow you to see what's really going on, I need you to identify what is holding the student back. Because here's the thing that I've learned as a counselor. A lot of things can happen. We can have transformation. We can go through the deep, dark trauma. We can have a lot of breakthroughs, but life starts happening once you leave my office. And if I don't equip you with the tools, with the habits, with the skill set to be able to handle real life, then you're just gonna keep coming to my, you're gonna become reliant upon me. And that's what we don't want with y'all. We don't want them to become reliant upon y'all in order to have that breakthrough. So you have to learn to teach them the habits so they can learn how to fish for themselves. So they can learn how to earn the A's, earn the B's and then the A's that they really are requiring. You have the opportunity to change their lives, because we know if they can learn how to persevere in school, they can learn how to persevere in life.